UPS truck accident lawsuits. Did you know that 1 out of every 10 fatal crashes on U.S. highways involves a large truck? UPS, one of the largest delivery companies in the world, operates over 125,000 trucks across the U.S. daily. With so many trucks on the road, the likelihood of accidents increases significantly. According to the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA, there were more than 450,000 large truck crashes in a single year, many of which involved delivery trucks like those operated by UPS. Collisions with UPS trucks can have severe consequences due to their massive size and weight, which can reach up to 80,000 pounds when fully loaded. Large truck crashes are nearly 3 times more likely to result in fatalities compared to passenger vehicle accidents. Victims of these crashes often suffer serious injuries like spinal cord damage, broken bones, and traumatic brain injuries, many of which require extensive medical treatment and long-term care. UPS drivers are required to adhere to strict safety standards, including federal hours of service regulations that limit how long they can be on the road. However, violations such as speeding, distracted driving, and driver fatigue are common factors in UPS truck accidents. Driver fatigue alone is responsible for nearly 13% of large truck crashes, while speeding contributes to about 20%. Additionally, 10% of large truck accidents are linked to vehicle maintenance failures, such as brake or tire issues. At Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers, we have extensive experience representing victims of UPS truck accidents. Our legal team will investigate all aspects of the accident, including driver negligence, regulatory violations, and poor vehicle maintenance. Compensation in truck accident cases can range from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars, depending on the severity of injuries and negligence involved. If you or a loved one has been involved in a UPS truck accident, you may be entitled to compensation for medical bills, lost wages, and emotional distress. Contact Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers today for a free consultation. We'll help you navigate the legal process and fight for the compensation you deserve after a UPS truck accident.